everyone. I just thought I'd do a little quick video. God, I just curled my hair, guys, with a very large, wide-plated Max Styling GHD, and I just put my sort of waves. I didn't go mad. I didn't want curly hair. I just wanted a slight bend on the end. Well, I'm pretty pleased with it. Little bit of L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil through it. Job done. Okay, now I am going to make some savage coffee, guys. Right, so you have your Lavazza Intenso. I can't remember where I bought this. More than likely it was on special offer in Aldi at some stage, because that's where I buy most of my stuff. You put a spoon of that in. It's strong, so that's all you need. Put the lid back on it. Okay, then you take your collagen protein, which is my protein. I got it online ages ago. I've done a good bit of it, and you just put a small amount of it in, about the equivalent of about a teaspoon. It comes with a scoop, so I just put the tiniest amount in, just a little amount. Okay, in there it goes. I'll go back up in the press in a second. Then, my friends, you take your vanilla caramel cream, 0 calorie, 0 sugar syrup. And you get your spoon and you put 1 teaspoon. And when I say 1 teaspoon, lads, I mean 1 teaspoon. If you don't, you will not be able to drink it. It'll be too sweet. So just 1, not even a full teaspoon. Then I add a dribble of milk. I buy my milk in Aldi too. And you stir it up like fuck. Now the protein powder, or the collagen powder, is a bit of a bitch to mix, but it does mix eventually. You just have to give it a good stir, lads, to get it to mix. Okay. Then you top it up with milk. Yes, we are being a fat bitch today. We're having a milky coffee. Okay. And you put it in your microwave. One minute, 20 seconds. And that's it now. That is my coffee. These are my cool girl waves, lads. I mean, I'm happy enough with them. I didn't want it straight, but I didn't want it curly either. I just wanted a bend on the end. Getting a bit long now. Roots are starting to come out, lads. I swear to God, I'm going to have to get at it with the bleach again, but I won't be using 30 vol or 40 vol. I will be using 20 vol, and same as I used the last time. Now, we just wait for the 50 seconds for this to actually cook. I will be back to show you what it looks like when it's cooked. Coffee's cooked, guys. 2 minutes and 60 seconds in the microwave. And that's what you get. Take your spoon, give it a quick stir. We'll do a taste test while we're here, guys. Oh, yeah. Delicious. This is what I'm doing I get 1 cup of coffee in the coffee shop on a Saturday now. I have to try and just know. It's too expensive. I'm not made of money. And this is lovely. It's as nice as anything you get in a coffee shop. It's nice and frothy with a little drop of milk. And it's fab. So that's my lunch, is a collagen coffee. So I will talk to you all in my next video. So take care. Comment below if you have any video requests that you would like to see. And there might be a little haul coming next week. We'll see. I have a few bits in there I haven't shown you, so I might just put them in a bag and show you. Also, comment below if there's any video you'd particularly like to see on my channel. Don't care what it is. Say hello. Give me a thumbs up. Whatever you like, guys. I'll be happy to hear from all of you, and I reply to everybody. Definitely, I do. I check my videos on a regular basis, and if I see a comment there, or I go into, what's it called, vidIQ, and I check there for any of the latest comments, and I reply to everybody. I think that's the decent thing to do. I know if I was a bigger channel, I would find it difficult to do. But you know what, lads? I think I would probably still do it. Because if any of you guys out there are taking the time out of your day to actually, comment on a video or say hello, I mean, why wouldn't I reply and say hello back? Oh, why wouldn't I? Anyway, lads, I'll say no more. I hope you're enjoying my content. Welcome to all my few new subscribers that I've gotten over the last couple of weeks. I'm delighted to see you here, lads. Happy days. The more the merrier. Party, party, party. Anyway, lads, anybody watching this that hasn't subscribed, check out a couple of more videos. Maybe you'll enjoy what you see. And if you do, hit the red button, join the family, and the notification bell next to it. You'd be very welcome. As I say, I'm a small channel. I'm not in it for the money. I'm in it for the love of makeup. So take care, God bless, and stay safe and bug free.